Family right now na the Hotel 510 inside the compound, and this na the black and white board. Just to have to do wildlife videos for see how, of course, the white board also can come for feed. You know, to just get the information that anytime we partake in there or any kind of event, the leftover very important for survival. Different board then can come here. You can get the eagle, they get this black and white board. The family, of course, sadly, this man, of course, will clean inside the Hotel 510. Of course, the grumble right now say they suffer for the clean after we the party in London. But of course, the eagle and the black and white board they can disturb and scatter the entire pan and back we can unpack for go to it. Interesting wildlife politics. Inside Hotel 510, a place where different bats then can survive. Where this also means even the pigeon self knocking left behind can come or can look for food for it. A survival is key.
I am Mr. Calon.
Mr. Calon. Alright, so which kind of work you do inside Hotel 510 here?
Yeah, I'm the head of department for cleaning.
For cleaning?
Yes, sir.
Alright, now basically I don't come for that, I come for camp video wildlife. When I then board there, I wouldn't say they survive. Yeah, so now what this can mean? Well, I feel like you don't clean there, you see they can dirty, back and scatter or dirty them.
Kind of more work that they do. Well, I didn't follow work, I can leg that out because they say I did that they survive.
They survive.
You see?
Alright, okay.
You cannot get around that, then small particles, then the food, and all they eat and then through that they survive.
They survive.
So all that's a blessing for me.
A blessing for you. Then also back say they less the work. Why say because they less the dirty work by you.
Yeah.
Because any carry because they eat.
That's how they eat.
Alright, so how many years on the cleaning here for?
They're 12 years this.
12 years this?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so how do work like for you? It better than you go bigger and treat?
Thank you very much, sir. I like it.
Like
I go to school, say I go to school, I go up to 45.
Okay.
But when I can, I add it with me.
Okay.
So you say God wants you, now there you forbid it.
Alright, okay.
So
okay, so you say you like wildlife. You can like when they see the board them so, right? Because of nature.
Yes.
Very good.
I like that.
Very good.
Good at it. I'm bog this.
Alright, okay, thank you.